how to activate Siri without pressing the side button. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to activate Siri by saying Hey Siri or Hey and do not want to press the side button? Then you're in the right place. You just need to change the Siri settings. Let's dive right in. Open up the settings app and you can see Siri there. Just tap on it and go to Talk to Siri. There, if press side button for Siri is toggled on, just toggle it off. And before you toggle it off, what you need to do is tick on Hey Siri, and then you can just set up your Siri and make sure that Siri recognizes your voice. And after that, you can just say Hey Siri, and you do not need to press the side button. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.